Okay, I don't remember exactly where I left off at a few days ago probably, but I'll show you what I've done so far, and pardon the camera shaking. I'm just going to hold it by hand because this is going to be a short video. I've got my double floor joists are screwed together, all put in. That's all done now, and I'm ready to put my plywood down. I've taken the door frame out. I've just got 2 screws holding that door on. You can see maybe better than last time. The wood I have to replace, and I'm going to be replacing both of the door jambs on both sides. On this side, I think I'm just going to replace both of those. That side only has one. I may cut this lateral off and go ahead and double this door jamb up to here anyway. I don't want to get into cutting this off, because if I go cutting this off, I have to take too much siding off of the outside. I don't want to do that. Up here, I believe, I wondered about this earlier when I first got into this. I wondered what all this was about. I think this is sort of like a double H, if you will. And I think that's meant to shore up and strengthen this door jamb, because this is the hinge side of the door. If I was building this from scratch, if I was going to put double joist, I would have, or double studs, double jamb studs. Maybe that's the best way to say it. If I was going to double anything, I would have doubled them over here. Actually, I think I would have doubled them both, because this side has the latch in it and a deadbolt, which I don't know if that deadbolt was ever even on the door to begin with. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. I'm going to go ahead and get this piece of plywood put down, because it's, you can appreciate, I have a little bit of a struggle trying to make sure no water gets in here. So far, there has been no water in here in the floor. And I sure don't want this new insulation to get wet. And so I'm going to go ahead and get that piece of plywood put down, and then I may maybe make another short video on that, and then I'll probably not do another one until, I don't know. I can't put the door frames together. I can't finish that until I decide whether or not I'm going to, since I'm going to have this off anyway, I've got to decide whether or not I'm going to put the refrigerator I got to put in here, because it's bigger than what this trailer was designed for. It's not a big, huge deal, except for the door. The refrigerator I got is just too big to go through this door. So if I take out part of the wall there, the door jamb and everything, to make a space wide enough to get the refrigerator in, if I ever want to take it back out, that's going to be a problem. And this trailer being old enough, if I keep it long enough, if anything else ever went seriously wrong with it, I probably wouldn't fix it back up. And in that case, I'd want to be able to take the refrigerator out of it and sell it or something, because you know, it's a really nice refrigerator. But anyway, I've got to decide what I'm going to do on that. I'm going to go get on the internet, on the Facebook Marketplace, and probably do some looking around, and if I can find another somewhat smaller RV refrigerator for a good price, I'm just going to buy another one and put it in here, and then I'll sell that other nice big one I've got. But for now, I'm going to shut this off and get this piece of plywood down.